Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. A minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So in this situation, that is about a, this one that is about b, so we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator, because I want to create about a to the power of 2 to cancel about the square root in here. So for this one, we have s squared plus 1 minus s squared. So this one minus this one. And now we just have only s. Next, we divide by s on numerator and denominator. So about s will go inside about the square root. So we have the square root of s squared plus 1 over s squared, because the square root of s squared you got about s. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. S squared divided by s squared, we have number 1. When s approaches to positive infinity, 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. And now we have 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.